Brigitte App Review 2025 Cash Advance App is Brigitte App Legit, struggling to make it to payday without overdrafting your account. The Brigitte App promises to help by providing small cash advances, budgeting tools and overdraft alerts. But is Brigitte legit in 2025, and is it really worth using? Let's break it down. Most people get this wrong by thinking Brigitte is a payday loan app. The surprising truth is that Brigitte doesn't charge interest like traditional payday lenders. Instead, it offers advances up to and works with a subscription model starting at $99 per month. This means no hidden interest, but the fee can add up if you rely on the app frequently. One of the main pros is the speed and convenience. Once approved, funds can be deposited into your account almost instantly, which can save you from overdraft fees. Brigitte also includes budgeting and monitoring tools that track your income and spending patterns, alerting you if you're at risk of overdrafting. This proactive approach sets it apart from many other cash advance apps. Another advantage is financial guidance. Brigitte provides tips to improve your financial health and helps you build a clearer picture of your monthly cash flow. For users who struggle with budgeting, this can be an unexpected benefit beyond just short-term cash advances. However, there are cons. The app requires access to your bank account to monitor balances, which raises privacy concerns for some users. Also, while it can help you avoid overdraft fees, frequent use can lead to regular subscription costs that may outweigh the benefits. Additionally, the maximum advance might not cover larger financial gaps, limiting its usefulness for bigger emergencies. In conclusion, Brigitte in 2025 is a legitimate tool for those who occasionally need small cash advances and want proactive money management features. It's not a solution for long-term financial problems, but if you're looking for short-term relief and a better handle on your cash flow, Brigitte can be a helpful app. Just make sure to factor in the monthly fee and use it responsibly to avoid dependency.